Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a managed server using Server Avatar. The easiest way to set up and manage your cloud server without any technical hassles. And how to resize your server when your projects grow. This is the perfect solution if you want a powerful server setup without touching the command line. So let's dive in. First, let's log into the Server Avatar account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button. When creating a server in Server Avatar account, you will get two options. First is the self-server, that is for advanced users who already have their own servers and want full control. And the second one is managed server, for those who want a fully hassle-free experience. With a managed server, everything is taken care of by Server Avatar, from creating to configuration. No need to connect your own cloud account or manually set up the server. It's all done automatically behind the scenes. So let's get started. Simply select the managed server as your server type from the given options. Now pick a cloud provider as per your requirement. Currently Server Avatar provides server from DigitalOcean and Vultr. Don't worry, you don't have to connect your own account. Server Avatar handle everything internally. So let's select the cloud provider account first. Next, give your server a name, something that helps you to recognize it later. Next, you can also select the application framework like WordPress, Mautic, n8n or Laravel from here. This helps Server Avatar to suggest the ideal server configuration as per your requirement. So, as I am selecting WordPress here, and as you can see, it has suggested a tech stack as per the requirement. So, you cannot select the node stack here. Same as if I am selecting any node application like n8n here, it only suggests us the supported stack, as here is the node stack. Now, let's move forward. Simply select your tech stack, operating system, and the database from the given options. Please note that if you select the node stack, MySQL and MariaDB database will be disabled as they are not supported in node stack. Same as the MongoDB is disabled right now. You can enable the toggle button for Node.js installation and Yarn installation in the node stack if required. Now, let's pick up the server location, its type and size as per your requirements. This defines the region and the computing power of your server. So, you can select the server location, instance type, and server size as per your requirement. Please note that enough credits in your Server Avatar account is required to create a managed server directly from Server Avatar. If you do not have credits in your account, you will not be able to create a server. As you can see here, I have selected the location and server size. So, are you ready? Just simply click on Deploy Server and Server Avatar will handle the rest. As you can see, the deployment is started here. Once the deployment starts, you will see services being installed and configured in real time. Server Avatar will handle everything like installing web servers from Apache Nginx and OpenLightspeed or NodeStack, installing PHP versions from 7.2 to 8.3, setting up PHP FPM, configuring MySQL and Redis, creating swap memory and virtual host files, installing Git and Composer, and final system checks. The whole process takes about 5 to 15 minutes. So once your server is ready, you can start deploying websites and application directly from your Server Avatar dashboard. And if you ever need more CPU, RAM or storage, no worries. You can resize your server anytime without reconfiguring everything. And that's it. That's how simple it is to create and manage a server using Server Avatar's Manage Server feature. Now, let's talk about resizing your managed server, a feature that is super handy as your website or application grows. With Server Avatar, you can increase CPU, RAM, and disk size depending on your provider. So, simply navigate to the server panel by clicking on this icon next to the server. Here, click on the resize option from the left-hand sidebar of the server panel. If your server is from DigitalOcean, first turn off the server from here using the toggle switch. Now, select your resize type from the given options. First is the CPU and RAM only. That keeps your disk size the same. And the another one is disk, CPU and RAM. That increase everything, and this is a permanent change. You can change your server instance type from here. Now, select your new server plan based on your performance need. And simply click on the Resize Server button. Click on the Resize button for confirmation. That's it. Now, turn on the server by simply enable this toggle button. If you are using Vultr server, just select your new location and plan. There is no need to turn the server off or select a resize type. By clicking on the Resize Server button, your changes will be applied automatically. Please note that disk upgrades are permanent. You cannot reduce the disk size later. Second, downgrading CPU and RAM support will depend on the server provider. And the last one, resizing usually completes in just few minutes. And that's how you can create and resize a managed server in Server Avatar. No cloud provider accounts, no technical setups. Just click, configure and launch. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step technical tutorials. And drop a comment below if you have any questions. I will reply to all of them. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, happy deploying with Server Avatar.